It's August 6th, and you're watching this channel. Today we'll be looking at some pivotal moments in African history that occurred on this day, spanning from the 19th century to the present day. Remember, if you stick around until the end, we've got a bonus for you. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. We begin today in colonial Zambia, where on this day, in 1923, the first issue of the Northern Rhodesia African appeared. The newspaper was a precursor to the Zambia Daily Mail, and it played a significant role in promoting African interests under colonial rule. It covered a wide range of topics, including political events, social issues, and economic opportunities, serving as a platform for African voices to be heard in a colonial context. Our next story is also from Zambia, but this time in the year 2000, when on August 6th, Levi Mwanawasa of Zambia was sworn in as the country's second president following the death of President Frederick Chiluba. Mwanawasa's inauguration marked a peaceful transfer of power in Zambian history, and he went on to serve until his own death in 2008. But our main story today is from August 6, 2021, when Hakainde Hichilema, popularly known as HH, was inaugurated as the 7th president of Zambia after winning the August general election. Hichilema, who ran on an economic platform promising to tackle poverty and corruption, secured 2.8 million votes, representing about 59% of the vote, defeating his closest rival, the incumbent president, Edgar Lungu. The inauguration ceremony took place at the National Heroes Stadium in Lusaka and was attended by numerous African leaders, diplomats, and international observers. Hichilema's victory marked the first time in Zambia's history that an opposition candidate had won a presidential election. It was also seen as a peaceful and democratic transition of power in a country with a history of political violence. But while Zambia was celebrating its peaceful transition of power, our final story is from Uganda, where on this day, in 1972, Idi Amin expelled over 50,000 Asians, mostly Indians and Pakistanis, giving them 90 days to leave the country. The expulsion was part of Amin's broader economic and social policies aimed at Africanizing the Ugandan economy and society. However, the move had devastating consequences for the country and the lives of those affected. Many of those expelled had lived in Uganda for generations and had strong ties to the country. They had made significant contributions to the economy and were well integrated into society. The expulsion led to massive displacement and loss of human capital for Uganda. It also strained relations with other countries, including India, Pakistan, and Britain. Despite international condemnation, Amin went ahead with the expulsion, which was carried out by the Ugandan army and police. The Asians were given 3 months to pack their belongings and leave the country. Thousands of families were torn apart and many left behind businesses and property. The expulsion has been described as one of the most traumatic events in Uganda's history. As we come to the end of today's episode, let us reflect on the multifaceted legacies of these events. While each occurrence is distinct and unique, they collectively highlight the complexities of African history. From the cultural resurgence movements to the struggles for independence and democracy, these moments remind us of the resilience and determination of African people in shaping their own destiny. As we continue to explore African history, we encourage you to engage with these narratives, share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. Your participation helps to enrich the conversation and deepen our understanding of these important events. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's episode and subscribe for more daily African history. Until next time, stay curious, stay engaged, and stay tuned. Thank you, and see you soon.